Yum, yum, yum. I'm so tired. Yeah, I don't want apple. Hey, want some apples? No thanks. Hey, want some bread? No thanks. I'm good.
Yeah.
I wish I could eat something. Hey, wants a cake? Okay, I can dip it in milk. Finally. Huh? Huh? Toot, 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 toot. Wow. Nom, nom, nom. My yummy. Give it out to me. Oh, no. Why? Where'd you get that? No, I just cook it by myself. Here. Okay, come follow me. I'll help you. And it's shut. Dip in the water. Okay, get up into mix. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, some flour and some eggs. So, check. Fit on the village. Oh yeah. I think those were last. Okay, so we got the noodles and get this right. Chicken tonga. Soup and good noodles. Wow, it's good one. Alright, and dry cup and seeds. I mean charcoal. Here's your noodles. Go, yummy. Yes, pasta. Hey, where do you get that note from? Well, I got that note from the village while we're fighting with yellow. Come on, villager, we can escape the pillagers. That's me. Oh, a note. I'll just put it in my pocket. First cobblestone, and that's where I get it with you. We should give it to the villager. Yes. Okay, come on. All right, we're here. All right, let's go find the bus. Okay, we're fighting. Hey, Chef Blue. Hey, can I snow from the villager? Yeah, you seen? That village house. However, dang guys, come on, knock. Hello there. I got the note that you might give me. Yes, right. I know you. Come in. Yes, guys, but please don't. Don't eat those food. Okay. Okay, must. Alright. I like that. Okay, let's get the. Get it. Ta-da! Must cookbook. Oh, come on, you gotta go there. Yeah, okay. Not yet. What? You need to complete those trades to me. What? I never saw it. But we have different. Lock. The yacht. Where do we get those? We got arrows for you. What? He doesn't want arrows. You have this last one. Oh, man. Well, I have an idea. Yes, well, give it to me. What? Give it to me! No. Bro, he's a bastard. Swords. Go, diamond, go! Ow! Oh my gosh. That is what you get for not giving me food. Everybody. My swords, we fainted. You gotta give me pancakes first. Flour? Guys, we can make the pancakes if you want. Okay, let's go. Come outside. Alright, get this thing. Crafting table furnace. What the? Mixing up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, guys, you have follow my rules. Alright, flip the pancakes. At least we had to go grab. We need honey too. Okay, let's go. Huh? What? You put too much water. Get the. Emma, you have no water. Come on. Is this good? Okay, good. Yes. Alright, next we're gonna write on my master book. Okay, let's just get through. Syrup. Oh, you're done. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot. You did it. Yes, I'm gonna eat that. Wait. It's for the master only. We brought pancake. We brought pancake. We brought pancake. Oh, thank you. Good. Okay. Here is tomato seeds. Thank you. Next, we're gonna make a pizza. Okay, thank you. Come on, guys, let's go. There are 5 ones. Alright. Let's go. Let's plant the seed. Potato. Yes, let's get this purchased. Alright, big bra, water for everyone. Thank you. Okay, good. Alright. Spread it this. Fast forward. Fast forward. Okay, cheese now. Alright. Meat. Pig. Carrots. And there we go. Come on, get your ovens ready in the oven. Okay, let's write it. Alright, so go. I'm ready. Look, it is for the master. Okay. We brought this for you. Done. Now you get this oil bucket for 3 of you. Open. Alright. Okay, I'll try this thing. Ew. Okay, I hope I put secret aspiration. What's better? Okay. Thank you for batter. Alright. Let's get this cute demo. Alright, let's get this. Alright. Come on, cut it and put it in fries. Okay, let's go. Cook the fries. Okay, hamburger ready. No. Oh my goodness! Also, no. Bro, get out of here. Huh?
We're here with mommy.
Oh no, I burnt it. Just gonna it's here. Okay. Alright. Let me try. Yeah. Huh?
Bakit mami? Mami po talag naman.
You get. No, you. I'm recording.
Oh, it's kinda mommy.
Come on, please, 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 please.
Ha?
Ow, 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 ow. Now we're gonna live. Let's live.
O gusto mo malaki?
Staying up.
Kulang condenser sa
Lines.
kasi wala siyang barya.
Huh? They're cooking outside. Yeah, that's a bad idea. Get cooked. Well, I'll just give them up to this.
Wala ka pang point person.
Well, guys, we're doing papers, map. Or you need your partner. This is too much. And you gave 3 paper sheets. 3 paper sheets. Oh, okay. This is one. You can do it with your partner, and this is you can get the giant book. Okay, let's do it. Come on. Alright, let's get horse. Come on, Green. Let's get this. Roar. Are you there? That's straight. Alright, here. Thank you, sir. Oh! We're here. We are here right now, babe. Alright, let's get this here. Alright. We are. Hey, villagers. You have this. Or that way. That's where you got rice. Oh, we get hay. Can we have these menus? Yarete. This is rice. Come on, you get it over there.
ID mo? ID ko?
Oh. Hey, this. We need this for. I have an idea. It's inside. Wow, that's the one that I wanted. We're doing the walk. Pink tea. Let's go. Oh, thank Naomi. Here. Okay, let's get this thing. Come on. Come on, Naomi. Don't you want to play? Alright. Maybe we'll just make this move. Alright, here. Okay, let's run. Okay. Pudding. Let's go. It's pudding. Come on, smush it to tacos. Maybe it's pudding. Alright, let's go. I don't have. Maybe it's just like this. Oh yes, here's boba. Okay. Alright. Yeah, thank you, bye. Bye. That's all on the V. Come on. Hey, we brought the food we need. I got the master book. Come on. Yes, chili, tacos. Noodles. That's what you get spaghetti. Egg. Frozen. Yes. Pie. Sushi. Tacos. Boba. Macaroni, bacon puddings, and tacos. Yeah, we did it. Let's eat. No, that's for master. I told you how many times. Oats. Oh, wow. You got this. Yum yum. I hope he likes it. Yes. One taco. Yes. Next, Gimerati, potato sauce, pudding, karasti, sushi, pepper sauce, and good. And this is macaron and macaroni. Maybe it's good. Good. Let's go! You receive this. Let's. There's no pages. What? There's nothing on the pages. It's because you used it. Oh, my master. Huh? Where did you get that? Okay, let's write the best wonderful right back to do that. Okay, chicka. Oh yes, guys, we can use this book. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, sir. I have something to tell you. Get out of here. Alright, eat the food, buddy. Oh my gosh, I'm a food. I just wish they ate them.
We're gonna go trick-or-treating on Halloween to collect the most candy in one night.